Welcome to Chennai City Garden. So today in this video we are going to see about plants that can be grown in a shady area, because in many of the homes, especially in apartments, they do have a small balcony, but they don't have the required amount of light, the sunlight, to grow many types of plants. They have the thought process of growing plants, they have the money to buy plants, but they don't have the proper place and the amount of light required to grow plants. So in those types of homes, what types of plants can be grown? That is what we are going to see today. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for regular updates and notifications. Let us get into the video now. So what's the first step in growing plants in a shady place or a small balcony? So according to me, the first step is nothing but clean the surface and place some plant stands. It is available online. I have given the links in the description. You can check it out. You can buy it in the nearby shops or anywhere you find it easy. So you can keep the plant stands so that you can place different types of plants in different heights, and you can place a layer of plants so that in a small place you can keep many types of plants. So in that way, it should be the first step. So buy these stands first, or you can make your own stands. So now let us see what type of plants that can be grown in a shady place. According to me, a shady place can be defined as the place where it gets around 1 or 2 hours of sunlight. So in that type of place, we can start growing the indoor plants first. So as everybody knows, the best indoor plant to grow is the money plant. You can grow that. And the second type of plants are the crotons. It does require some amount of light, but it can grow under artificial light. So what I will say is, you can put some type of artificial light in your balcony. So third type of plant is the beetle leaf. You can see here how it is growing. It will thrive in shade. And the fourth type of plant is the mint. According to me, mint is one of the best plant that can be grown in a partial shade, or you can say very less amount of light. So you can grow mint. So make sure that you water it regularly and prune it now and then, so that there are more leaves that comes out through the plant. It is one of the best aromatic leaves that we can grow in our garden. Just give a small amount of liquid fertilizer for every 10 to 15 days. It can be any type of compost tea or any type of organic fertilizer that is rich in nitrogen. And the next one is the microgreens. This is one of the best thing that we can grow it in a shady place. These are very much edible. All types of microgreens, you can grow it in a shady place. Just you have to place some artificial light, as I told earlier. So you can easily grow these greens within 10 to 15 days. It is very healthy, very much healthy to eat. You can use these kind of microgreens in a salad or any type of food. So according to me, this is the first thing you have to grow it in your garden. All other plants comes next. So according to me, you should plant these kind of microgreens, from mustard seeds to radish. All those things can be used as microgreens. And the last one is the coriander. It can be grown in the shady area. So start it with some type of seeds. Both the coriander and the mint are very much used in our kitchen. So you can plant these two in your shady place, in your balcony. So according to me, whatever plants you are growing, it needs certain amount of light. So what you can do is, You can place 3 to 4 types of bulbs to give the small amount of light. It cannot match the sunlight, but still these types of plants can manage the artificial light. So the plant stands and the artificial light are must to grow plants in a shady place. So make sure that you follow these types of steps and grow these types of plants in your garden, and try these indoor plants. It won't fail you. And all the greens, I mean the microgreens and the mint and the coriander. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.